How to save 30% of your net income? The fundamentals of money. Welcome. I'm glad you're here. I'm Mema, in my early 30s, a self-proclaimed motivator and a money girl. On this platform, I will share with you the basic principles of money and personal finances. I hope the information shared on this channel will help you live a financially stress-free life. Today, there is an unreal perception of financial freedom through social media. People on the internet telling us how fast we can get rich with little or no effort. That we should quit our jobs and become millionaires. I'm not saying it's all fake, but building a business is challenging. It takes time and it's a process, and I do not believe everyone should be an entrepreneur. Everything needs balance. That said, on this platform, I will concentrate on the process, diving back into the fundamentals of personal finances. 90% of the people I talk to daily just want their personal finances organized and have no clue where to start. Does this feel like you? Here is where to start. Always think of your finances as a pyramid. The higher you want to go, the stronger your foundation should be. Have a big vision for your finances, but make sure your foundation is strong enough to support that vision. Start working on your foundation, and after which you can work up towards the peak. Goals motivate, and that is why I recommend you finding your why power. Why are personal finances important to you? Why do you want to achieve financial freedom? They say financial freedom or financial independence is a journey, not a destination. That it's the ability to make life choices without being limited by the lack of money. The state of being in control of your finances and not your finances having control over you. Your mindset towards money will define how easy or hard the process of financial freedom is going to be for you. It took me 3 years to work on my mindset, and that is why I'm keen on sharing my experiences. I do not want it to take you that long. In this time of digital money, it's easy to be obnoxious of one's actual financial situation, and that is why it's important to screen and review one's finances regularly. Good money habits such as saving and building an investment portfolio can be created by doing away with bad money habits of overspending and living beyond one's means. If you're serious regarding achieving financial freedom, then I recommend implementing the 30% rule. Divide your finances into 4 parts. 30% of your net income should cover your housing or living costs. Living or housing costs include your rent, electricity costs, the internet, your phone, and so forth. 30% should go towards your savings and investment. 30% towards your spending and hobbies, for example, food, shopping, and entertainment. And the rest, 10%, into securing your health, assets, and savings against the unpredictable. Your income includes all money coming in after taxes. Remember, the more you can save, the better. 30% of your income should be the starting point. The 30% rule has been a game changer when it comes to my finances. It's black and white and straight to your face kind of method. You have concrete figures which you can work with, hence no excuses. If your housing cost or spending is above 30%, then it means you're living beyond your means. I can now save 30% of my net income each month by automating the bank transfer to a separate savings account. The rule enables me to spend my money guilt-free. I find the 30% rule good because I was never sure if I was overspending on my insurances or not. Now I know how much I should be spending for my insurances, 10% of my income. As mentioned, you can have a separate bank account for each category if you're not into the jazz of budgeting or if you're not so disciplined with your spending. There's no right or wrong method as everyone's financial circumstances are different. The good thing about this method is that the 30% is not fixed but in proportion to your net income. So, give it a shot. Trust me, your finances will never be the same. Let me know in the comment section below what rules or methods you are using to achieve your financial goals. Until next time, stay money smart. See you in the next video.